Long, long ago, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, lived a young boy named Andrew. Andrew was a curious and imaginative child, always eager to explore the world around him. But of all the things that fascinated him, his father's overcoat held a special place in his heart. Andrew's father, Mr. Jenkins, was a well-respected and hard-working man in the village. He was known for his craftsmanship and the ability to fix anything that came his way. His old, worn-out overcoat had witnessed countless hours spent tinkering with broken clocks, mending torn clothes, and repairing broken toys. It had become a symbol of his father's skill and unwavering dedication. He retrieved his overcoat from the closet and placed it on the hook by the front door. "This overcoat has seen so much," he mused, reminiscing about the countless repairs and fixes it had witnessed over the years. As Andrew watched his father lovingly handle the overcoat, an idea sparked in his young mind. He reached out and gently tugged at the sleeves, pleading his father to let him borrow it. "Dad, may I borrow your overcoat?" he asked with wide eyes. Mr. Jenkins looked at Andrew, surprised by the request. "Why do you want to borrow my old overcoat, my boy?" he inquired, his voice filled with curiosity. Andrew's eyes sparkled with determination as he explained, "I believe that if anything goes wrong, just like you fix everything, the overcoat will bring me the strength and wisdom to fix it too." Amused by his son's innocence and faith, Mr. Jenkins smiled warmly. He took off the overcoat and draped it over Andrew's small shoulders. "Take good care of it, my son," he said, ruffling Andrew's hair. "But remember, the power to fix things lies within you, not just in the overcoat." From that day on, Andrew carried his father's overcoat wherever he went. With every step he took, he felt a surge of confidence and determination. Whenever he faced a problem, be it a broken toy or a difficult math problem, he would put on the overcoat and imagine his father's hands guiding him through the process. As the years passed, Andrew's belief in the overcoat's magical powers wavered, but the coat itself remained a symbol of his father's love and support. It became a reminder that no matter how daunting a challenge seemed, he could face it head-on with the lessons and values his father had instilled in him. One sunny afternoon, many years later, Andrew found himself facing his greatest challenge yet, a mechanical marvel that no one in the village could repair. He stood before the intricate contraption, wearing his father's overcoat, feeling a mix of nerves and determination. As Andrew meticulously examined the device, his mind raced with thoughts of his father's wisdom and the countless hours spent together in the workshop. With each passing moment, his confidence grew. Finally, after hours of tinkering and trying different approaches, Andrew managed to fix the mechanical marvel, much to the astonishment of the villagers. The news of Andrew's remarkable feat spread like wildfire throughout the village. People came from far and wide to witness his skills and seek his assistance. Andrew became the go-to person for any repair, just like his father. And every time he picked up a tool or faced a challenge, he would feel his father's presence in the warm embrace of the old overcoat, still worn proudly on his shoulders. Andrew's father, Mr. Jenkins, served as a mentor and role model. He instilled in Andrew a strong work ethic, resilience, and the value of fixing things. Mentorship and guidance from experienced individuals can provide invaluable support and encouragement, enabling us to grow and achieve our goals.